Starting now, question number 6 for this topic of kinematic for ES level for M1. A car starts from rest and moves in a straight line with constant acceleration a meter per second square for a distance of 50 meters. The car then travels with a constant velocity for 500 meters for a period of 25 seconds before decelerating to the rest. The magnitude of this deceleration is 2 a meter per second square. Sketch the velocity time graph for this motion of this car. And the second part is find the value of A. And third, find the total time for which the car is in motion. Since the car starts from rest and moves in a straight line, so this is the graph they have shown. This is the time in seconds, and this is the speed in meter per second. This is, let's say, the starting point of that. Since it starts from rest with a constant acceleration a meters per second square, covering a distance of 50 meters. So we don't know the speed here and we don't know the time here. Then it moves with a constant acceleration speed till this point B. So A coordinate will be T1 and V there, whereas B there, it has covered a distance of 500 meters in 25 seconds. So the time here is 25 plus T. 1. And it has covered a distance of 500 meters in this A to B there. Then it is going to have the deceleration, and the value of that deceleration is equal to twice of A meter per second square. So this is first the velocity time sketch of this graph, and now we will find out the total time taken for this portion. We are going to find out the value of A there for the B part. Since the gradient of OA is 0, 0, and this is T1 and V, and the total distance there is 50 meters. So for this, we will first calculate the value of V here, because we know the distance is 500 meters and time is taken there 25 seconds into V there. So V is basically equal to 500 over 25, and that is equal to 20 meters per second. So that is the speed of V there. So O has the coordinate 0, 0. A has the coordinate V is 21 and T there. Now, we know one thing. If we use the equation of motion, which is equal to 2as is equal to v square minus u square, we know the value of 2 here. A we don't know. S is 50 meter. V square is 20 square minus u is 0 square. So A is equal to 400 over 100. So A is equal to 4 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration A for this part there. Now in the third part, they are asking that find the total time taken in its journey. So we first have to calculate T1, then 25, and then this portion will be taken there. Let's say that is T2. Now we know one thing, that if v is 20 meters per second and acceleration is 4 meters per second square, then the gradient of this OA is giving you the acceleration of that object. And then acceleration is equal to v minus 0 over t1 minus 0. Acceleration is being calculated there equal to 4. v1 is 20 over t1 as it is. So this implies that t1 is equal to 20 over 4 and that is equal to 5 seconds. So this time is basically equal to 5 seconds up till here, t1. Now we have to find out the total time taken in its motion from the starting point. This is 5 seconds as it is we are going to write plus 25 seconds from A to B plus this portion. But they have mentioned a condition there that the deceleration is twice of that acceleration there. So it means if it has taken 5 seconds here, so it will take 2.5 seconds in the next part. So this portion will be equal to 22.5 seconds for this whole journey of its motion there.